Umidigi has announced its latest series of rugged phones, the Bison X, which combines stylish design with high performance and highly reliable rugged design. The manufacturer claims that the new items will satisfy the needs of most users and perform well in harsh conditions. According to company representatives, Bison X is the first series of smartphones from this manufacturer in which the company tries to combine stylish design and durable performance. There will be two models in the lineup, the Bison X10 and the X10 Pro. The former features a matte glass back panel and rubberized corners. The Bison X10 Pro model will look more like a familiar rugged smartphone, but at the same time its design should still be more elegant than that of traditional unkillable phones. Umidigi Bison X10 Pro is the higher version of the vanilla X10 model. This unit sport more rugged rear design and a repositioned rear logo, while offering an infrared thermometer which is not present on the standard model. It is built with same IP68 IP69K and MIL STD810G certification, sport a 6.53 inches display, and fitted with 720x1600 pixels resolution. Powering the X10 Pro is MediaTek's Helio P60 octa-core CPU, clocked at 2.0 GHz, along with Mali G72 GPU, a 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. On the camera department, you are getting 3 camera modules on the back. The main snapper is a 20-megapixel main lens, along with 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel macro, while a single 8-megapixel selfie snapper is used on the front. The device comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner with dual 4G Volt-enabled SIMs. There is a 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charger on the inside, while Google Android 11 run out of the box.